So the next question is, what was your main takeaway from the course? So my main takeaway from the course is simply just that language is transformative and really multifaceted. It's what makes us uniquely human, and it's what connects us as well. It's really made me appreciate my field of study in more ways than one. I think for myself personally, during my entire undergrad, I would oftentimes compare myself to different peers in different disciplines and really beat myself up for not engaging in groundbreaking stem cell research, for example, or building a robot that can change the world. But going through this course and listening to all of the different guest speakers that we had, and also working with different students in different disciplines, it's really made me realize just how meaningful my work can be. And also that a background into the mechanisms of language is really relevant for every single discipline, which is super exciting. And three, that there's also a lot of work out there that is beyond the traditional trajectory of careers that speech sciences or linguistics students seek out, and that it still ties together all of the knowledge that we've learned from our degree. The last question is, what advice would you give to students considering taking the course? And my advice to you guys is simply to bite the bullet and just do it. This class is really just such a unique experience, unlike any other class that you've taken here at UBC. I really, really love classes that challenge you and make you think critically and think differently than we're used to. And this class really does that. You have to unlearn a lot to learn, I think, which is really beautiful. I also really love the fact that it was a smaller class size, which just means that it's a lot less intimidating and a lot more personal. And I think my other advice would just to be open-minded about everything and really voice your ideas, get involved in discussions, and to really get to know your professors and your peers really well. There's also lots and lots of opportunity in this class, which is one of the other best parts about this class. One of my final project team members actually turned our final project into an actual research study and a co-op opportunity. So I think this class is also just a really great way to build a project that you're super passionate about, work on it, and perhaps even take it beyond the classroom. So that's everything from me. I hope that I was able to answer all of the questions well, and that I provided some more insights into my time in the course. And hopefully to all of you prospective students out there, you'll also consider joining this class and having as much fun as I did during my time. Thank you again to the Living Language team for inviting me to speak about my experiences, and let me know if you have any other questions about being a speech science or linguistics student or about the class in general.